So, what did you learn in previous lesson if you want to revise?
So previous lesson we learnt about meeting, like good morning, good evening, and everything.
Hmm.
How is your
Yes,
father?
right.
Then we started the introduction part, but we didn't finish. Just two
Yes,
sentences.
yes, yes, just two sentences because it was a trial lesson, yes.
Yes,
So you
yes.
want to carry this that thing
I want to what?
to complete the introduction.
Yeah,
Hmm.
or whatever you feel is okay. How to continue?
Yes. I suggested some books for you. It
Okay.
will be useful for you. So these are the books. So it is the first chapter of this book. The book name is Al Arabiyatu Bayna Yadayk. It means that Arabic is in front of you.
Hmm.
Al Arabiyatu Bayna Yadayk, the book name. So it means that Arabic is in front of you.
Okay.
So this book consists the few chapters. So Al Wahdatul Ula means first chapter. Ula means first.
Ula.
Ula and Awal both.
Okay. Awal.
Awal, Al Awal and Al Ula.
Okay.
Yes, so it means first. Al Wahda means chapter. Al Wahdatul Ula.
Okay.
Yes, this is the title. At-Tahiyyatu wa-Ta'aruf. At-Tahiyyatu means greeting, and wa-Ta'aruf means introduction between two people. So write it At-Tahiyyatu. At-Tahiyyatu, greeting.
One, two.
So At-Tahiyyatu, it
Greeting.
means greeting, right? What ta'aruf, I think we wrote this. So, what ta'aruf means introduction between two people, introduction. We have already written this thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. At-tahiyatu wa ta'aruf, greeting and introduction.
Mhm.
You can see here. So, al-hibarul awwal, it means first dialogue.
Yes.
Al-hibarul awwal. This is not necessary for you. The main thing is here.
Okay.
Yes. If you meet someone, so how will you say? So these two sentences are for Muslims, for religious followers. So if you are not Muslim, so you can say uh, Subah Bakhair. You can say in English, good morning and good evening. Good
Okay.
morning and good evening. So here is Ismi Khalid. My name is Khalid. Ismi.
Hmm.
Hmm. But after you say good morning or good evening, you will say, Ismi Khalid. My name is Khalid. Hmm. Ismi Khalid.
Okay.
Here is Masmuka. What's your name?
This-
Masmuka means what's your name?
Mhm.
We we are reading the introduction properly. So Masmuka means what's your name? If you
Must.
are male, yes, if
Okay.
you are male. If you are female, so it means Masmuke, Masmuke. So it's
Must.
the dialogue between two people. This is Khalid, this is Khalil. You can say Edward and you can say other name. So Ismi Khalil. My name is Khalil. Ismi Khalil. Write it what you can write. So Ismi, my name. My name is
Sir,
Edward.
sir, can you give me 2 minutes break, please? I just need to just
Mo-
2 minutes. I will come back.
Yes, yes. You can say. You can do. You can do.
Hello, sir. I'm so
Hmm.
sorry, sir. I had to go. I got an important phone call.
No problem. Yes. So it's the dialogue between two people. Good morning and good evening. Sabah al khair, good morning, and Masa al khair, good evening. I think
Okay.
you have already written this.
Yes.
So it's me, Khalid. My name is Khalid. Masmuka, it's a question. So what's your name? Ismi Khalil. My name is Khalil. كيف حالك? It means that how are you? كيف حالك? If you are female, so you will say كيف حالك? How are you? كيف
Hello.
حالك؟ كيف حالك؟
Mm.
Hmm. بخير. بخير means it means that fine. بخير means fine. Everything is fine. بخير means fine. So the complete sentence here is I am fine. أنا بخير. أنا بخير. أنا بخير. So
Anna.
it means yes, أنا بخير. The complete sentence is that.
Okay.
But sometime when someone asks you that how are you, so you will say fine. You don't say that I am fine. So it's like that. So أنا
Okay.
بخير. It's the complete sentence. أنا بخير. I am fine.
Okay.
So skip this one. Skip this one because they are for Arabic people are Muslims. Therefore, they are the Arabic book. So these are the sentences related with the Muslims.
Mm.
So وكيف حالك? وكيف حالك? And how are you? And how are you? So أنت means you. And how are you? Khalid says بخير fine. I'm also fine. أنا بخير fine.
So we ask, "How are you?" and we reply, "I'm
Hmm.
fine." And how do you ask back? "I'm fine," and you? Is there like a short form, or do we
Yes.
ask again? Haluka?
Yes, yes, there will be a short form. It's possible. So, like, وكيف حالك? You can say وأنت.
Wanta.
وأنت. Yes, وأنت. You can say وأنت. أنا بخير. وأنت. You can say here بخير. وأنت. I'm fine. And you? أنا
Okay.
بخير. وأنت. So you can say this part. بخير. أنت. Or you can say أنا بخير. أنت. Both are possible.
Okay.
Right? It is clear?
Yes.
Right. Anta means you.
You.
Anta
Okay.
means you. Yes. So it's the dialogue between two women. Uh, Assalamu alaikum. So you can say good morning and good evening.
Okay.
Ismi Khawla. It's the name of a woman. So
Yes.
female name. Ismi Khawla. My name is Khawla. Masmuke. So it's for female. Masmuke. There was Masmuka for a male. You can say here, you can see here. So masmuka for a male and masmuke for a female.
Hmm.
Clear?
Okay.
Yes. So there was a Ismi Khalil. It's the name of a person, name of a male. There is Ismi Khadija. It's the name of a female. So this is the same. My name is Khadija.
Okay.
And the third one, Kaifa Haluka. Kaifa Haluka for a male and for a female, Kaifa Haluke. The difference of ka and k. كيف حالك for male, كيف حالك k for female.
Hmm.
So here is بخير, بخير fine. وأنت, وأنت. Here you will say وأنت. وكيف حالك? You can say وكيف when someone asks you كيف حالك, you will say بخير. وكيف حالك? وكيف حالك? And you can say بخير وأنت. It's clear?
Yes. One thing.
So, بخير. Yes, and you. أنت means you for female.
You. Okay.
It's the exercise of the of this lesson. كيف حالك between two people, between the men. So كيف حالك between male. So كيف حالك. And there is a female, so that's why here is a كيف حالك. كيف حالك, how are you. كيف حالك, how are you, between female. So masmuka for a male, what's your name. Masmuke for female, what's your name. So it's exercise. Masmuka, what's your name for female. Uh, so this is for the male. Match between right sentences. So masmuka for male and masmuke for female. Got it?
Yes, got it.
This is the masmuke. So it's wrong here because this is for female.
And
Female is here.
yes.
So you will match between these two. And masmuka for male. And here kaifa haluka ka for male.
Hmm.
Kaifa haluka, you will match between these two. And kaifa haluke for female. This is assalamu alaikum. You can say good morning, good evening. You can say sabah al khair, masa al khair. Yes, right. Very good. Uh, Masmuka. So what's the answer? The
What is
answer
my
is
name?
Ismi Edward. You can say Ismi Edward.
Okay.
So and here كيف حالك, you will say بخير. أنا بخير. You can say fine. You can say I am fine. So بخير or أنا بخير. بخير or أنا بخير. اسمي اسمي Khadija or ismi Khalid. What's your name? You will say here ismi Edward.
Okay.
So this is Sabah al Khair or Masa al Khair. Masmuke, this is for female. It was for male, so it is for female. Masmuke, ismi Khadija. So you can say ismi Devya.
Okay.
Or your name is Devya?
Yeah, it's different.
Devya, that's right. Kaifa haluke? It's for female. It was for male. Kaifa haluka? It is for female. Kaifa
Okay.
haluke? Ismi Divya. So you will say here. So it's the Al-Hibar Usani. The Asani means second one. Asani means Al-Awwal. The meaning was Awwal, first one. The
Awal,
meaning
yes.
was Awwal. Yes, first one. Ula or Awwal, both are same. Ula, Awwal. And
Ula.
Asani, yes, Awwal.
Okay.
Asani means second. Second.
Asa.
Hmm. Second. Al-Hiwar means dialogue. Dialogue.
Okay.
So the second dialogue, Muhammad and Sharif, between these two people. So this is Sabah al-Khair or Masa al-Khair. So Muhammad says, "Where are you from?" So now he knows that his name is Edward. He knows that he is a fine. And the third question is, "Min aina anta?" Where are you from? Got it?
Okay, got it. Where are you
So
from?
yes, right. Min aina anta. Min, M-E-N. Aina, A-I-N. Anta, min aina. Anta, where are you from?
Min
It's
aina.
for anta, right? It's for male. And min aina anti for female. Min aina anti. Hmm. The difference is here. Anta for male, anti for female. Min aina anta, where are you from, for male. And min aina anti, where are you from, for female.
Okay.
In Arabic, you will say, if you are from Pakistan, so ana min Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. If you are from USA, so you will say ana min America. Arabic will says ana min Pakistan, ana min America. So you will say I am from USA, from America. So ana I am. Min means from.
From. Okay. Min aina.
Ana min America. Ana min USA, America. Arab people use America. They don't use USA,
Okay.
so ana min America. So min means from. Note it.
Yeah.
Min means from. Aina means where. Aina means where. Anta means you. So where are you from? Where are you from? Min,
Aina means where?
aina, and
Aina.
where. Aina means where. Min means from. That's why you can see here it's repeated. Ana, I, from America. So it is Pakistan. It is not America, but you will say Ana min America. Ana min Qatar.
Ana min Qatar. Okay.
Yes, right. Ana min Qatar. I am from Qatar. So min means from. Aina means where.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So Anta, what was the meaning of Anta?
You.
You're right. So here you can see Anta, you. Hal, Anta. Hal means are. Are you Pakistaniyun? Are you Pakistani?
Did you say ahl?
Hmm?
What is R for? R, how do you say?
Or Hal.
Hal.
H-A-L, you can say Hal.
Hal.
Yes. Yes, right. Hal, Anta, Pakistaniyun. Are you Pakistani?
Okay.
You can say if someone from India, so you
Okay.
can ask you you can ask him by the two way. You can ask him, "Are you from India?" And you can say, "Are you Indian?" Got it? My
Okay.
point.
Yes.
Hmm. You can say, "Are you American?" You can say, you can ask, "Are you from America?" So this is the difference between this sentence and that. Ana min America. I am from America.
Oh,
هل أنت باكستاني؟ هل أنت أمريكي؟ هل أنت أمريكي? So Arabic people says American. The Arab says uh, أمريكي for American. أمريكي. So are you American?
okay. So either we can
Ye-
ask where are you from, or we can say are you from this place?
Yes, are you from this place? So you can say where are you from? Hmm.
Min
So
aina
you
ant.
can ask you can ask are you from America? So you will say هل أنت min America? So you will say هل أنت min America? هل أنت min America? Are you from America? You will say هل أنت min America? Min, from. You will say from. So there is a two thing. Note it that one is from America, the second is American. Is there any
American.
difference between them?
Yeah, the person and the place.
Yes, a person and a place. So here is, if you don't say men, so it means that American.
Okay.
Hal anta, are you American? If you uh if you add here men, if you add men here, so it means that are you from America? Hal anta min America? So it is hal anta Amerikiyun. It means are you American? Naam, yes. Naam means yes.
Yes, Nam.
أنا yes أنا باكستاني. I am Pakistani. I am Hindiyun. Hindiyun means Indian.
Okay.
So أنا I am American. أنا أمريكي. وما جنسيتك أنت. جنسية means the place where are you from. My if you ask me, Anna, I am from Pakistan, so jinsiyati means Pakistani yun. Amriki
Pakistan.
yun, it's yes, it's this thing.
Okay.
So you can skip it. It's not necessary. It's the so Ana Turkiyun. It means I am Turkish. I am from Turkey. Ana min Turkey. I am from Turkey. I
So
am
we
a
ask,
Turkish person. Yes.
suppose we ask, are you from America? So
Hmm.
we ask, هل أنت من أمريكي؟
America. Yes, hal anta min America. You will say hal anta min. You say then you will say hal anta min America. Hal
Okay.
anta min America.
هل
Yes,
أنت من؟
right. If you ask him, are you American? So you will say hal anta Amerikiyun.
Okay.
Amerikiyun means American, not min America.
Got it. Got it.
Got it? Yes, because there is no min. Min means from.
Mhm.
Hal anta Amerikiyun? Are you American? Hal anta min America? So you will say, are you from America? It's right. So if there is something, so I can discuss, I can, it's clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes. Here you can say, good morning, good evening. So, sabah al khair, masah al khair. Min aina ante for female. It's you, but for female. Min aina. So, what's the translation? Can you say? What
Where
does it
are
mean?
where are you?
From, right? From. Hmm. Can you read this?
No.
Min aina
من
ante.
أنت أنت okay.
Min. Yes, yes, yes. Min aina ante.
من أين أنت? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm
In
assuming
this.
that
Hmm.
that's the reply.
Yes. Uh, can you repeat your question?
I think the next line is like the reply.
That's the reply. Yes. And I'm in Misr. I'm from Misr. Country name?
I'm
Misr. I
from
am
where?
from Misr. Misr. Misr is the country name. Egypt.
Oh,
Egypt.
Egypt.
Yes.
Miss
Misr is the. Yes. Arab people don't say Egypt. They say Misr.
Misr.
So it's the new name for Misr. Egypt is the new name. The old name is Misr.
Okay.
So Ana mean Misr. I'm from Egypt.
Got it. Got it.
Yes, right. هل أنت مصرية? Are you Egyptian? For female, it's for female. أنت. Are you Egyptian? So Zainab is the name of female. So he says that she says, نعم, yes. أنا مصرية. I'm Egyptian. أنا سورية. Suria means I am from uh, Sham. What can we say in English? So these days there is a war between uh, Israel and them. Philistine
Palestine.
people. So what's the name of their country in English? Sham.
Sham.
Yes. Surya. There you can say Surya, their country name, Surya.
Oh, Palestine
Surya.
is Syria.
Philistine. Yes, Philistine people. So Surya. The country name of the Philistine people, so it is the Surya. Aina
Syria.
Surya. Yes. It means that I am from the country in which Palestine is occurs. And I mean Surya, I'm from that country.
Hmm.
And I'm in Surya. Yes, Zainab. Ahlan wa sahlan. It means welcome. You're welcome. So welcome. There is one thing I thought that if I teach you the alphabets of Arabic,
Okay.
so it will be better, I think. We will repeat it again and again.
Okay.
So, hmm. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 28 alphabets of Arabic. So it's Alif. Here is written.
Alif.
What's this? You can read.
Ba.
Yes, that's Ba. This is Ba. And this one,
Ta.
so it's Ta. There are a little bit different because there is one dot below of this one. And there are two dots
Above.
as about. And there are three dots about. So it's the Tha. Tha. What's this?
Both are same. TAA and THAA.
No, that's the Ta. You will say Ta. Ta. Not Ta. It's the Ta.
Okay.
And that's the Tha. Tha.
Ha. Okay.
Tha. That's the fourth one. We we will say so alif, ba, ta, tha, tha.
Okay.
That's the sound of S, I think.
Hmm.
Sa. It's the Jeem.
Hmm.
If there are one dot below of that or in between, so you will say Jeem.
Jeem.
It's Ha.
Ha.
If there are no dot. It's the same of this, but there are no dot.
Okay.
It's also same, but there are one dot
Above.
there about of Ha. Yes, right.
Ha.
So it's Jeem, it's Ha, it's Kha.
Ha.
So it is soft and it is hard. Ha and Kha. Ha and Kha. Jim, Ha, and Kha.
Jeem. Ha and Kha.
Yes, right. Very good. So here is Dal, Dal, D. We can see.
Okay.
So Dal.
Done.
It produces the sound of D. You can say Dal because in your country people, I think, don't use Dal. Uh, they are using Dal.
Done.
So yes. So it is the Zal. Z,
Zal.
sound of Z.
Oh, okay. Zal.
Yes, Zal. Sound of R. It's the
Ra.
sound of A, it's the B, and it's the uh ta. You can say ta. You can say ta and ta both. It
T.
produces two sounds, ta and ta.
So
So
we say the first alphabet, or is it the whole word? For example, it is A or Aleph.
it's a if you see it separately, so you will say alif.
Okay.
If it combined to the another word, so you will say a. You will
Oh,
say a.
got it, got it.
So it's the separately. So therefore you will say alif. We will say this thing, but that's the separate alphabet. So we
Hmm.
are coming on this thing. So how you will say if it combines to the other words. So it's the alif, it's the ba, it's the ta, it's the tha, or it's the G. This is the Ha, this is the Kha, that is the Dal. You can say Dal. It is the Ta, you can say Ta. You can
Oh,
say Ta. Yes, right. And this one is Ra.
uh,
Ra. Yes, you can say Ra.
Ala.
Double R. It produces Rd. Ra. It produces. So, right. And this one is Za. Z. This one and this one. Both are produces sound of Z.
Hmm.
Sometime X X XYZ. X produces sound of Z. It's the same thing. This is for Z, but sometimes X uses for Z. It's right.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. This is the Dal and Zal. Dal and Zal. Both way are possible. Dal and Zal. So, and that is Za. Za. And that is Seen. Seen. It is Sheen. Sheen. Both are same, but there are three dot about of this one. So if you so there are also three dots, but they have three teeth. This one, this one, this one. Got
Sheen.
it? Yes. That is there are three dots and there are three dots,
Hmm.
but it have no dot. It have no sorry. It have no teeth. So it's Sa and that is Sheena. So uh, this one and this one both produce the sound of S. Sa and Seena. Sa and Seena. Sa
Sa.
and Seen. Yes, Sa and Seen. But this is very soft. Sa, and it is very hard. Sa. Sound of whistle. It produces sound of whistle. Do you know whistle?
Whistle. Yeah.
Sa. Yes, there is Seen. And this is Sheen and this is Sod. This
Sog.
is Saad. Saad, yes. The name of this alphabet is Saad.
Hmm.
Saad. And this is Dad. And this is Dad. And this is Ta. This one and this one.
They're the same.
Ta. Yes, they are same, but there is a little bit difference when you uh, pronounce it. So the difference is it is this one is ten and this one is tek. This is ta and this is pa. Ta and ta. Ta and ta.
Ta and ta.
Ta. Yes, that is a thick, little bit thick letter, and it is a thin. Ta, ta. It is very simple, ta, but it is very. I think it's difficult, little bit difficult. So ta. It is ta, and that is pa, pa.
Hmm.
Hmm. So and that is zo, zo,
Za.
zo, zo is right.
So it's pronounced
Uh,
as
hmm.
Z. Z. Za.
Here,
No, the DH one.
yes, yes. So you can say zo. It is zo, zo. I don't know why. What's this pronunciation? DH double A. What we will say?
In English, you mean?
In English.
Ha.
What's repeat it two, three
Dha.
times?
Dha.
The, the. Yes. I think it's not right. So it is zo. It is
Za.
za. It is za in a thick tone. Sorry, in a thin tone. Za.
Za.
Ten tone, and this is za, but in a thick tone, zo. This is za, and this is zo. Za, zo. Za, zo.
Hmm.
Can you differentiate between them?
Yeah, za. That is thin tone. This is
Uh,
little.
it is a thick tone, like this two, like this two. Ta and po, ta and po. Got it?
Yes.
Hmm. And there is za, and this is zo, zo.
Za.
Ta,
Z.
yes, ta, po, ta, po. And there is za, zo. You can say there is a W after Z, zo. If you write here W, if you write here W, so what will
Za.
be it? Zo is right. So it's the same thing. Write it W here. If when you write it in your register in your notebook, so write it TW double A. Oh, so write it ZW double A. ZW double A. Write it.
I wrote it.
ZW. Yes. ZW double A. Zo.
So,
Hmm. And this is Ein. Ein. Don't write here this thing. Three. Don't write it here. I think it's not right. So it's Ein. Ain. Ein. Hmm. And that is Ghain. Ghain.
grain.
Yes. Gain. You can say gain. You can say Ghain. Both are right.
Hmm.
Hmm. And that is Fa.
Wow.
This one and the next one. This one and the next one. They are same.
Oh,
Qaf and Kaf. But this is in 10 tone Kaf. Kaf. Very simple. And it is
yeah.
in a tek tone. Qaf. Qaf. This is Kaf. It is Qaf. But
Hmm.
so
Cap off.
yes, right. Qaf Kaf. Yes. This is Lam. Lam. Lam.
Lamb.
Yes, this is Meme.
Me.
Meme. This is Noon. There is
Me.
one dot. Yes. This is
Me.
Ha. Hmm.
Ha.
Meme, Noon, Ha. And this is Wow.
There is one more ha on top.
Uh,
Ha.
what's yes, yes, very important question, very important, excellent. So this is the Ha. This is
Ha.
Ha, and this is Ha. Can you
Ha.
differentiate between my tone?
Ha.
There are three Ha. There are three Ha. One
Hmm.
is there is the Ha, but KH, Ha. It
Yeah.
made from KH, Ha.
Ha.
And this one made from H, but Ha. It is very soft, Ha. So the difference between them are easy because it is KH and it is H, Ha and Ha. But what's the difference between this one and that one? It's
This
very
is short.
important. Yes. So no, 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 no. So it is Ha, very soft, Ha, and this is Ha. In pronunciation, you will know Ha and Ha. Can you differentiate between them? Ha and Ha.
Yeah.
Ha,
Ha. Ha.
Ha. Very good, right. So uh, Ha and Ha. So it's in pronunciation, other people differentiate between them. So what can we do? So Ha, it is Ha, very soft. Ha. And this is Ha.
Okay. For
Ha.
example, we have
Hmm.
kaifa haluka.
So you
That
will
ha
write
is
this one. So you will
ha.
write this one. Kaifa haluka. You
Halu.
cannot pronounce kaifa haluka. You cannot pronounce kaifa haluka. You will
Okay.
pronounce kaifa haluka. This is
Halu.
ha.
Hmm.
Ha. Hmm.
Okay.
In future classes, inshallah, we will read haul, haza, haza. This is we are note this one. Note this letter. There are two I. How many eyes it has?
Two. Two.
Two. So there are two. Yes.
Hmm.
This is the little bit head. This is the head, a small head.
Yes.
So remember its structure. So we are going to the next book. What's this?
Oh, it has two high eyes.
Oh yes. So there is it is ha. It is ha and it is so we are going to
I don't
another
remember.
letter. Yes, yes, yes. And what's this? This one, what was Zal? It was Zal.
Zal. Ah,
I told to
okay.
you it was Zal. So
Then why do we draw the long line in between? Is it to
yes, it's
extend the
not
pronunciation?
necessary. So it's for beginners, just
Oh,
like for beginners. So you can so it's a ha and it's za.
Zal.
Ha za. If you combine, so if you ha za. So what's this? Hmm. So this
Haza.
is a haza. This is a haza. Simple
Haza.
thing. Haza. Haza means this.
Haza means
This.
desk.
This. Yes. There is a
Haza.
this, that, this, that. So haza means this.
Okay.
Hmm. الدرس الأول. What was the meaning of أول?
First.
First, yes. Others means lesson. You can see here. Others means
Third.
chapter. The meaning of chapter was wahdatun. Wahda.
Wahda.
Wahdah. Wahda.
Wahda.
Yes, chapter. And the lesson means others. A double D
A double D.
R S. So we are going to others. So it was your question. You remember what was your question here?
The ha.
What was your question here?
For Alif. Should we say
Ah,
ha
yes,
or
yes, yes, yes. It combines to the another letter, so you will pronounce not Ali. You will
okay.
pronounce A. So it will be the A. So we are going to A. Others, not alif uddars. Others.
Ad.
Yes. You will say a.
Oh, and we read it right to left. Yes. Right.
Yes, right. Hmm.
I'm trying to read it from like da ha.
Yes, right. Yes. After a few lessons, you will be able to read a little bit, inshallah. So here is the what was this?
Dal.
Dal. Ad. If you
Ad.
make it combined, so ad. And what
Ad.
is this? What is this?
Ra.
Adr. Adr. And what is
Ad.
this?
Seen.
Others. Others means
Others. We just say the
yes.
first one.
We just the first one.
Others.
So others. Others means listen.
Yes.
Yes, yes. That is wow. Al awwal. Wow. You can see here. Wow.
Okay.
And that is lam. Awwal. So if you so here it is a lam here, but if it comes with the another letter, so it will be l, l. Yes, right. Just like L. So in alphabet we write L, M, N, L, M, N, L, and if comes in the like, so we don't say L, like. You see like. So it's the same thing. It's the lam, but if it comes with the another letter combinedly, so we will pronounce al-awwal, ad-darsul awwal. So it's the first lesson. Haza has so the last letter is remaining. So it's ya. It's ya, the last letter. Got it? So repeat it. I'm hearing. I'm listening to you.
A.
Alif. Alif.
Alif.
Yes. Yes.
Alif. Ba.
Hmm. Hmm.
Ta.
Right.
Sa.
Right.
Jim.
Right.
Ha.
Hmm.
Ha.
Right.
Dal.
Hmm.
Zal.
Right.
Ra.
Hmm.
Za.
Hmm.
Seen.
Right.
Sheen.
Right.
Sad.
Very good. Excellent. This one.
This is da.
Yes, it is dada, but you can say
Or
zada. Zada.
za.
You can say zad. Both are right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ta.
This is I said to you that there is a W to
To. To.
W T W double A. Yes.
And that
Z
is
yes, yes.
ta.
Z W double A. Zwa. Z W. Not D H,
Okay.
but Z W. Zwa. Right. Hmm.
Ein.
Yes, very good.
Gain.
Right.
Fa.
Hmm.
Qaw,
Hmm.
Kaf,
Hmm.
Lam,
Hmm.
Mim,
Hmm.
Noon,
Hmm.
Ha,
Hmm.
Wa,
Hmm.
Ya.
Congratulations. It's very good.
And
So,
it's difficult to remember.
yes, yes. I think that if you remember it, it will be very good for you. Just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, M. So, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim. So, it is 28 letters.
Okay.
So, it will be very useful for you. It will be very helpful for you in the upcoming lessons.
Hmm.
Is it easy for you?
It's okay. Once I
Yes,
think the
right.
more I practice, I'll get it in my mind better.
Hmm. Yes, yes, it will be. Uh,
Memorize.
will inshallah. So what is this? Haza this. Haza means this.
Yes.
Haza means that. This, not that. There's another word for that.
You
So
say
has
this,
hmm, ha,
THIS.
this this, right? This.
Yes. Haza.
Haza this. So for example, this is a book. This is a book. Here. Haza. This is a book. Haza kitabun. Kitab means book in Arabic.
Kitab.
Book is called kitab. Haza kitabun.
Haza kitab.
Kitab means book. Haza baitun. Baitun means room. You can say house and you can say room. Both are room. House. Haza baitun. This is a house. This is a house. Haza masjidun. This is mosque. Mosque, where Muslims are worshipping, so it's called mosque. So
We say
mm,
this is or this.
no, this is so this haza means this. Haza means this. If it comes with the another word, so there will be produced is in a sentence. So
Hmm.
haza means this, not this is. Haza means this, but in a sentence, if there are more letters, so it will be this is. Got it? So
Yeah, got
haza baitun means this is uh, uh house. This is a house. Haza means this, and haza baitun means this is a house. Haza masjidun. This is a mosque. Haza babun. Haza, this is a door. Bab means door.
okay.
Hmm. Haza kitabun. This is a book. Haza qalamun. This is a pen.
Salamun.
Hmm. Qalamun. Qaf, lam, mim. Here you can see qaf. This is qaf.
So
Can
kalam
you
is this one, this alphabet.
column is can you repeat?
For kalam, we use the ka or ko.
Qa, not
Ko.
ka, qalamun. So it's qa, and the second one is l, lam, and the third one is mim. Qa, la, mun. In the
Uh,
end, you can say meme. Here is you can say here. Can you say? Sorry, can you see?
yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Haza qalamun. This is pen. It is qaf, not cat. Qaf, lam, l, mim, qalamun.
Kalamun.
Yes. هذا مفتاح. Here is ha. مفتاح. Ha. Can you see ha here? Can you see?
Can you say miftahun for key?
What's
What is the word for this word for key?
it's key miftahun miftahun M-E-F miftahun M-E-F
Miftahun.
right miftahun. It is the baitun house baitun Baiton baitun, and this is bab
Uh,
hmm. B-double-A-B. It is kitab Ketabab. It is
mm,
qalam Q.
mm.
So there is one thing. It's Q, not K.
Q.
Q. Yes, it's K. That's the difference. K and C both.
Similar.
K or C sometime.
Okay.
Yes, so it's off and it's K or C in sometimes.
Mm.
So haza maktabun. Maktab means desk. Maktabun. Maktabun. M-A-K. So here you will write K and there Q.
Okay, for
What
maktab,
what did what did you write in column? Q or K?
Q.
All right, very good. And there maktabun. There is K. M-A-K-T-A-B. Maktab.
Maktab.
Hmm. It's the practice of this. Practice of this. What's
Yeah.
this? What's this? What is this? So you will say haza. Haza sarirun. Sarirun. Sarirun means bed.
Sarirun.
Yes. S-A-R double
S-A.
E. Yes. S-A-R double E-R. Sarir.
Sarirun.
Hmm.
Right. Has a
Hmm.
sarirun.
Yes. Haza kursiyun. Chair means kursiyun. There is a message for me.
Check.
Just 1 minute. Okay. Thank you. So kursiyun. Kursiyun. K-R-S-I-R-Y. It's a little bit difficult, so skip it. We will get it in upcoming lesson. So there's another thing. Uh, in Arabic, in the last of every noun, not alphabet, not another thing, not verb. Do you know noun? Name of something. So in the name of something, Arab people adds n. Bait means house, but they say baituno. They adds n in the last. So it's bab. Bab mean door, but they say babuno.
Hmm.
They babun. That's kitab, but they say kitabuno. It's qalam, but Arab
For
people
all nouns, we
use
add
for all
something.
nouns, not for verbs, not for alphabets, not for other thing. Got? So for nouns, qalam, this is qalam, but they say qalamun. This is miftah, but they say miftahun in the noun. It's maktab, but they say maktabun. This is sarir, but they say sarirun. Got it? In the last of noun. So what was haza?
This.
Yes, this.
This.
So this is baitun, this is house, this is masjid. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sod, Zod, and Dad. You can say both. Ta, Dwa, Ain, Gain, Gain,
Green.
Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Meen, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. It's A, it's B, it's T, and it's S, it's J, it's H, K, H, it's D,
Mm.
it's Z, or you can say X in some time. So X, R, and that's Z, and that is S, and that is SH. Sheen means SH. Sod, S. That is Dod or Zod. So Dad. So here is Dal and here is Dad. So what's the difference between them? So the difference of tectone and tentone.
Okay.
It's a tentone, Dad, and it is a Dod,
Like
D
DAW.
W W is right.
Mm.
So these three have W,
Mm.
W, sorry, DW, TW, uh, ZW.
DAW. Okay.
Got it? Uh, this one is well. This one is well. Swad, not Sada. Swad, SW, SW. So this is the first one. This is the second one. That is the third one. That is the fourth one. They have a W. Got it?
Got it.
Swad, swad, because it will be pronounced in a tectone. I think it's enough for today.